Hello everyone. Today we will discuss new zoology model paper. New zoology model paper. So, according to the Telangana State Board of Intermediate, so releasing to the new model papers. Totally in first year zoology, total 8 chapters, 8 units. So, unit 1 diversity of living world, unit 2 structural organization in animals, unit 3 animal diversity 1, unit 4 animal diversity 2, and unit 4 locomotion and reproduction, and unit 6 biology in human welfare, unit 7 cockroach Periplaneta americana, unit 8 ecology and environment. Total in first year zoology 8 chapters, 8 unit, but in this year deleted 2 units. Unit 5th locomotion and reproduction, chapter 4, unit 4 locomotion and reproduction complete delete. Next lesson unit 7 chapter 7 cockroach Periplaneta americana. So in this lesson complete deleted. So in this year only 6 chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 and chapter 6 and chapter 8, totally 6 units. So 5th one delete and 7th one deleted. So totally 6 units. First one diversity of living world, second unit structural organization in animals, third one animal diversity 1, animal diversity 2, biology in human welfare, ecology and environment. So in this year new model paper first one section A, section B, section C. So in this total paper totally 26 questions, total 26 questions, totally 26 questions. Section A 10 questions, section B 12 questions, section C 4 questions. Section A 10 questions, section B 12 questions, section C 4 questions. So section A very short answer questions, very short answer questions, totally 10. So you write only 10 questions. Out of 10 you write 10 questions. 10 into 2 20 marks, 20 marks. Next one section B 12 questions, choice 50%, only you write 6 questions, you write only 6 questions. 6 into 4 24 marks, totally 24 marks. Choice 6 question choice. Next one section C 4 questions, you write only 2 questions, 2 into 8 16 marks, 16 marks, 2 choice, totally 4 long answers, you write only 2 long answers, totally 2 into 8 16 marks, total 60 marks. So first one discussing weightage wise, so discussing to the new model paper. First question number 1 section A, question number 1. What does ICZN stand for? ICZN stand for ICZN. So they are the very short answer in first lesson one very short answer in unit 1. Next one, list out any 4 sacred groves in India. List out any 4 sacred groves in India. So these also in first lesson unit 1. Next question, third question, what is the hematocrit value? Third question, what is the hematocrit value? So these are present in second lesson unit 2. Next question, define osteon. Define osteon. So this is also unit 2. Next one, fifth question, distinguish between the armpits and plasmids. Distinguish between the armpits and plasmids. So they are the lesson animal diversity 1. Next one, what are the blood glands in peritoneum? What are the blood glands in peritoneum? So this is also animal diversity 1. Next one, seventh question, name 4 extra embryonic membranes. Name 4 extra embryonic membranes. So these are the animal diversity 2. Animal diversity 2. Next, 8th question, Entamoeba histolytica is an obligatory anaerobe, justify. Entamoeba histolytica obligatory anaerobe, justify. So that the lesson number 6 2 marks. Next one, 9th question, from which substances smoke and coke are obtained? Smoke and coke are obtained. So ninth question. So they are presenting on the sixth lesson. 2 marks question. Next one. Last 10th question. What are circadian rhythms? What are circadian rhythms? So they are the 8th lesson. Unit 8. So totally 10 very short answers. So first question and second question in unit 1, and third, fourth questions unit 2, and fifth, sixth questions unit 3, and seventh question unit 4, and 8th, 9th unit 6, and 10th question unit 8. So 10 very short answers. You write 10 answers. 10 into 2, 20 marks. Very short answers. There is no choice. Next, section B. Next one, section B. Section B, total 12 questions. Section B, total 12 questions. You write only 6 questions. 6 into 4, 24 marks. 11th question, very short answer. First question, define species. Define species. So these are the define species. Lesson number 1, 4 marks question. Define species. Next one, 12th question, explain a Rivett-Popper hypothesis. Rivett-Popper hypothesis. So this is also chapter 1, unit 1. Next, 13th question, describe the 3 types of cartilages. Describe 3 types of cartilages. So these are the lesson unit 2. So these are the unit 2. Next question, describe the structure of multipolar neuron. Describe the structure of multipolar neuron. So this is also unit 2. Next one, what are the chief characters of the crustaceans? What are the chief characters of crustaceans? So they are the unit 3. Unit 3. Next one, name the 4 hallmark chordates and explain the principal functions of the each of them. Name the 4 hallmark characters. So they are the animal diversity 2. Next question, describe the structure of heart of frog. Describe the structure of heart of frog. So this is also unit 4. Unit 4. Next question, what are the modifications that are observed in birds that help them in flight? So flight birds, nana. So this is also chapter 4. Next one, write a short notes on the pathogenicity of Entamoeba histolytica. Pathogenicity of Entamoeba histolytica. So they are the unit 6, nana. Entamoeba histolytica. So they are the unit 6. Next one, prevention is better than cure, justify with regards to TDA abuse. So this is also unit 6. Next one, what is summer stratification? Explain what is summer stratification. So they are the unit 8. So they are the unit 8. Next one, explain the Wands-Half rule. Last question, 22 question, explain Wands-Half rule. So this is also unit 8. So they are the 4 marks questions. 4 marks totally 12 questions. First question, second question, 11th question, 12th question in unit 1, and 13th, 14th unit 2, and 15th question unit 3, 16, 17, 18 unit 4, 19, 20 unit 6, 20, 21, 22 unit 8. Totally 12 short answers. Next one, section C. Next one, section C. So long answer questions, totally 4 long answers. 23rd question, compare the contrast the 3 types of muscular tissues. 3 types of muscular tissues. So the 3 types of muscular tissues present in the lesson unit 2, nana. Structural organization animals. 1 long answer. Next one, describe the digestive system and process of digestion in parenchyma. So this is also lesson animal diversity 1. Next question, describe the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Describe the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. So this lesson 6th lesson, 8 marks. Next one, write an essay on the temperature as an ecological factors. Temperature question, nana. So they are the lesson number 8. 8 marks. Totally 4 questions. So first question unit 2, second question unit 3, and third question unit 6, and fourth question Unit 8. Totally 4 long answer. You write only 2 long answers. Yes, so these are the total 26 questions. Total 26 questions. So unit wise nana total marks. So unit 1 2 marks 1 2, totally 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 marks, totally 12 marks. So in this unit 1 total 12 marks. Next one unit 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 8, totally 20 marks, total 20 marks, and unit 2 20 marks. Next one unit 3 animal diversity 1. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16 marks, totally 16 marks in animal diversity 1. Next one animal diversity 2, lesson unit 4 animal diversity 2. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, totally 14 marks in animal diversity 2. Next one unit 6, next lesson unit 6. So totally 2 plus 2 4 marks plus 4 8 plus 4 12 plus 8, totally 20 marks. Unit 6 totally 20 marks. Next one last lesson unit 8 ecology and environment. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18 marks, totally 18 marks. So they are the total first year 6 chapters weightage and model paper. So they are the based on the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. So 50% choice in short answer, 50% choice in long answer, but very short answers there is no choice. So you are very focused in very short answers. So because of there is no choice, you in exam only 10 questions you write 10 answers. So there is no choice. So majorly focus on the very short answers comparing to the short answers and long answer, because of short answer 50% choice and long answers 50% choice.